I'm gonna do a quick video here. If you plan on buying a Ford F-150, I guess they're having a lot of frame rotting problems, and I don't know about the back. They tend to rot out under the bed, but a lot of them are rotting out right here under the frames, and I'm reinforcing this frame here. So this was out in the rain, and it came back. I put it on the lift, and all this was wet, and I'm like, where's all this water coming from? So this is the reason why the frames are rotting out right here. The water is coming down between the cab and the bed and dripping down on the frame, and they're rotting out right here because they're sitting, getting wet, getting into the frame, and then they run down the frame. See this, it's all wet right there. Runs down. It was wetter, but this, I've been working on this, and I just decided to do this video. But yeah, so this whole frame right here was rotted, and I've been working on this for a while, trying to repair this frame. But something Ford apparently didn't think about. So if you buy a new Ford, first thing you want to do is try and figure out a way to stop that rain from coming down through there and running down on your frame, because this is basically what happens when it does it. It runs down. See, it's dripping right there. Dripping, gets onto the frame, and it rots from the inside out, outside in. And look at this frame. This side, I got to repair this side too. That's the only way that crap will get in there. And the outsides, look at that spot right there. The rest of it's not too bad on this side, but the driver's side was horrible. I mean, I'm a shitty welder, but at least I know it's going to be solid after.